Hi everyone, it's Marissa with Bumblebee Apothecary. Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you how to make a postpartum healing spray. This was something that I mentioned in one of my previous videos that I've done recently where I talked about my top 10 pregnancy and postpartum essentials, and this is definitely one of those. I'll link that video below so you can see that. And today I'm going to show you how to make it. In that video I talk all about what it's for and what it does, but basically what it is something to help heal up after you've had a baby and just helps you be way more comfortable and heal faster. And it's been very, very nice with both of my kids I've already had, and then I'm definitely going to be using it again with this third baby when they're born too. This is a really easy recipe. It's very quick to throw together, which is really nice. 1 4-ounce spray bottle for me was the perfect amount for the entire healing time, so it doesn't take a huge amount either. We're going to start by adding our smaller ingredients, the essential oils, first. So I'm going to be adding a couple different essential oils that really help with healing. Frankincense is known for being excellent for healing skin and soothing, and then clary sage is also great for healing, and then it also just kind of helps calm and balance hormones and things like that. So it's a really great thing to be using after you've had a baby. So I'm going to start with 6 drops of frankincense. And then I'm going to add 3 drops of clary sage. That I'm going to add other larger ingredients that take up more of the bulk of the formula. I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of aloe vera gel, again very soothing and cooling and healing. And then last of all, I'm going to add some witch hazel. I'm going to add enough to fill the bottle the rest of the way to the top. Be careful to not fill too full, because if you overflow, you'll lose your essential oils, which tend to rise to the top, so watch that carefully. So then you just put the top on, shake it up to incorporate everything really well, and then you will just shake it up every time right before you use it. I like to keep mine in the refrigerator so it's nice and cold. That kind of boosts the soothing properties of it. So there you have it, a nice, I call it new mama spray, but it's a postpartum healing spray. Super nice to have when you've just had a baby. I'm going to link all of the ingredients that I use for this in the description box below so that you can easily find those. I'm also going to link a link to my blog where I have the full written article and a printable recipe card to make it easy to make it yourself. If you'd rather not make it yourself, I also have these in my shop, and I'll put a link to that below also so you can check that out. The brand of essential oils that I like to use is Plant Therapy. I really like them because they're very high quality while being very affordable at the same time. And I'll put a link below to their website also so you can find those easily. And then one last thing before I finish up, I wanted to share that I have a free ebook. It is a DIY organic skincare recipes ebook. It has several different recipes for making different skincare and personal care products from things that you probably have around your house or are easy to get, and they're perfectly safe and pure and natural. So that's a completely free ebook. I'll put a link below where you can grab that as well. Okay, I hope that you found that interesting, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with somebody that you know, maybe somebody who's expecting a baby. Maybe you could make it for somebody that you know who's having a baby. It would make a great new mama gift or baby shower gift. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. I make new videos every week on traditional health, wisdom, and living a sustainable DIY lifestyle. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.